Well, it is time that I show you the new fire alarm demo board. I found this giant board outside of a McDonald's trash can, and I asked the guy saying, "Hey, can I have this? I'll use it for my fire alarms." And he said, "Sure, we're not even using it, so." Well, spoiler alert, I just found it and I just took it. But he said, "Sure." So I just cleaned it up. I just sprayed it down with the garden hose, and and then I just went from there. All right, so we still got this broken BG12. The broken Cerberus Powertronics full station is in the garage, just sitting in the garage. Okay, not being used because it just doesn't work. The button doesn't work, and one of the wires came out. So let's go ahead and show you the new system. Right here, we got a Lithonia Lighting LQQM exit sign. Up here, we got the Midland ER 210 not being used. It'll only be used when there's severe weather, and I'm just down here. The siren will not be on half the time. For our first notification appliance, we got the Wheelock RSS 24 MCW. For our second notification appliance, we got the System Sensor SCR remote strobe. Both of these are set to 15 candela. Right here, we just got a DX395 radio. I dropped this earlier today, and I did lose that switch to it. Right here, we just got my grandma's decoration. And for the pull station, it's the broken BG12. Still got the switch. Anyways, let's go ahead and pull the pull station. Here we go. See, they're getting out of sync. Silence with the switch. The switch was really, really convenient. And we'll go ahead and reset our pull station. Then we'll go ahead and reset the switch. Once I get an actual light bar in for that, once I get a light bar, I'll put it in that exit sign, and we'll have something looking good. Now let's turn on the ER310 and the SOS light. And we'll have a strobe party in here. And we'll have a strobe party in here. It looks so cool. Damn, that looks so cool. Alright. Silence the strobes. And turn off the 310. I might get a panel for my birthday, and it might go right there. I just had to do some stuff with my grandma's chairs to put them in the garage. Hopefully she's okay with it, because we do not get visitors. So anyways, guys, that is it for this new demo system. I really hope you like it. You'll definitely see more videos coming out of it. And have a happy Easter. Turn on the strobes. Happy Easter. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Love you, Tornado Gang. Peace out.